Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix cannot connect to iTunes store. So guys, if you're facing this problem while connecting to your iTunes store, here I will show you how can you easily fix it and how can you easily use your iTunes store in your iPhone. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So as first of all, drag down your control center and make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So if your internet connection is working properly but still you are facing this problem, then change your internet connection. So as if you're using your Wi-Fi, then try your mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then try your Wi-Fi, and after this check whether the problem is fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So for that, open up settings and scroll it below, tap on general, scroll it below again, tap on VPN and device management, and from here disconnect the connected VPN in your device if there is any connected VPN in your device. So guys, simply disconnect it, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next one, that is you will have to open up your settings again, tap on general, and from here scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset network settings. So guys, enter your passcode and reset your network settings in your device. So guys, after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then you will have to update your iTunes store in your device. So guys, update your iTunes store in your device from your app store, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.